Hi guys. Nakita nyo, pangit ang mukha ko. Parang may dugo sa mukha ko. Ito, dragon fruit red. Red color. Peel of dragon fruit. Peel of dragon fruit red. Peel of dragon fruit red. Swipe. Apply on my face and then become beautiful. This is my new home remedies become beautiful.